Right, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Mark. This is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. Right, today we've got this maple, Japanese maple, and we're going to put this under it so the roots grow around it. It's called a root over rock one. So, let's get on with it. Take this out of the pot. Oh, that is proper pot bound, but it's a nice leaf. So we're just going to get all this out of the way. I might have to wash it off to get rid of all the roots, all the mud from this one off. What we're looking for. That is proper rooted bound. So that means it's going to have a long root, and this is what I need. There's my little tool, there it is. Let's tease the root out. It's coming out properly nice. That's good. Come on. I know I don't talk a lot when I'm doing this, but there ain't really a lot to say. Ooh. It's not when you've got matted hair. Not that one I've got any. But I remember when my mum used to brush my hair, it was always like this. There we go, come on. There you go. I will be reusing this mud as well. I see people on YouTube this root over the rock. It takes a few years for it to establish properly. But it looked good when it's in a proper bonsai pot. but it's just going into a normal pot for it to grow onto the rock. And then at a later date I'll find a nice bonsai pot for it to put in. If it takes place properly. Should do. Can't see why it wouldn't. Right. That's as far as I can take it. Like that. I'm just going to rinse this off. Right, that's that done. I'll give it a good wash. Right, I forgot something. I'll be back. This is very important, that bit. Oh, let's move that down out like that. Right, this is the rock I'm going to put it into. I want the roots to, they should hook up around here. Should. Right. I'll give it a good wash. I just got to untangle. Spread that around like that. I'm wondering if I should take a few of these ones out. Yeah, that's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. There's me. Bit more or not? I think that's as low as I can get it. Right. How am I going to do this? How am I going to do? Should I get the clean film out first? No, leave it like that a minute. This is the chappy I want. I'm reckoning like that. Put this stagnant moss around it. So the roots does what the roots do. Take them out, don't we? I know what you're saying. So, now I'm going to do this with one end. I know what you're going to say. Why are you using silver foil around it? It's because I want the roots to go down and not up. I just want to hold the moss onto the rock. So use your 2 ends. Oh, falling off. There we go. Stay. You little git. It fell out. Let's push it back up there a minute. I've got an idea. I've got an idea. It's a good idea as well. Put that underneath it. Put that down on top. Now we don't know what's going to happen. It's on top of the rock. Now we're using a cable tie to hold the rock on there. It's only got to hold it on there, I don't want it to snag it down. I know it looks terrible, but if it does what I want it to do, it's going to look the nuts. Right, let's get a pot up. Let's get a pot up. Take this out of the way. some of that in the bottom there. I've got some in the bottom there anyway. Gonna need some more. Alright, do that. Right, let's go and get some more. Got the rest of this, isn't it? Back it around there. Pull it up a bit. I think that's high enough. You know, same again. Make sure it's got no air pockets there. Cover all that silver up. That's that one done. That's another one done. Man, it's a filthy day. But that being living in there for about a year, then I'll pull it out an inch, take the top off, and then leave it in for another year, pull out another inch, so forth, until the rock's exposed. So that's another video. Right, like, subscribe. Any tips, tricks, if I've done anything wrong there, please tell me in the comment section. Right, see you again. Right, bye.